Welcome. In this we are going to discuss another topic in 8th class mathematics. One variable. Second chapter. So we discussed different questions, how to solve them, and some of the applications themselves observed. And now we are going to observe this type of equations. When these equations, we think these are not an equation. They are not in the form of linear equation in one variable. So we are going to reduce them to simpler form. That is the first step. Then we can how to. Already we observed how to solve the simple equations. Observe through these examples how to reducing equations into simpler form and how to solve. First, take the 17th example. X by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. As a fraction, x by 2 minus 1 by 4 equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 2. But 4 terms, 2 are on the left side, 2 are on the right side. Out of 4, it is x term on the left side, it is the x term on the right. As usual, we know in solving, we are going to send the x terms one side, the remaining terms, that means constants, to opposite side. Let's follow the same now here also. X by 2 on the left side term, bring that one, is a minus x by 2. It becomes minus x by 2 equal to, there, send this one, it is an 8 term, become plus 1 by 4. We are sending the both numerator and denominator at a time. In this case, just we change the sign only. Don't write numerator to denominator, denominator to numerator. Now, the difference of two fractions is the addition of two fractions. We know how to and subtractions of fractions by generally we use the LCM method. The LCM of these two denominators 2, 3, 6, these two are co-primes, the LCM is the product of them. 2 divides this 6 how many times? 3 times. 2 3 3 into x 3x minus 2 into x 2x. Is the factor of 4. 2 2 is 4. So it is the LCM. 2 ones 2 plus it 1 time 1 ones 1. Already you did this type of addition and subtraction in earlier classes, 6th class, 5th class and 4th class also. Now, difference of them only x, 3x minus 2x by 6 equal to 2 by 4. In the given, we get two terms. One is on the left side, one is on the right side. But both are in fraction form. Both are in fraction. Fraction form is called rational form. So, do the cross multiplication. What is the cross multiplication? Multiply this numerator with this side denominator, this denominator to this numerator. That is called cross multiplication. We use this type of symbol. Now, x 4x, then we got one simple equation. The given one into linear form or simplest form, simpler form. Then x equal to 18 by 4, 2 2s 2 9s. Then x equal to 9 by 2. It is the or root of the given equation. Now we observe another example. See that. Example, x minus 4 by 7 minus x plus 4 by 5 equal to x plus 3 by 7. There are two terms on the left side, only one term on the right side. First, we must simplify on the left side only. With the minus symbol, so we use the LCM method to subtract them. 7 5 35 because 7 and 5 are co-primes. The product of them is called LCM. 7 divides how many times? 5 times 35. So 5 into this x minus 4 minus 7 into this numerator x plus 4. X plus 4. Write down the right hand side term as it is. There is no change in that term. Multiply these two terms with 5. 5 into x, 5x. 5 4s, 20. It is negative 20 because plus and minus, minus. Minus 7 into x, minus 7x. Minus into plus, minus 7 4s, 28 by 35 equal to x plus 3 by 7 on the right side. Side, there are 4 terms. Out of 4, these 2 are x terms, these 2 are constants. First, to simplify x terms, minus plus 5x minus 7x. The difference minus 2x. Sum of the negatives minus negative 48 by 35. Equal 3 by 7. Only two fractions on the single fractions on both sides. In this time, we must apply the cross multiplication. Don't apply here. Only two fractions. One is the left hand side, one is the right hand side. Then we must apply the cross multiplication method. Now, the denominator on the left side, 35 into x plus 3 is the numerator on the right side. 7 into minus 2x minus 40. This type of sums in previous, you follow that method, 35x 5 is 15, 3 3 is 9 plus 1, 10. Equal to 7 minus 14x, 7 2 is 14, negative term. 7 here also minus 748, 7 8, 56, 28. 28 plus 5, 33. Now, this side and this 105 the side. Now I am going to write here, you observe clearly. What is 35x? It becomes left side plus 14x minus term on the right side, that is minus 336. This one to that one, that side minus 105 to 49 equal to how much? Sum of them 49x, and these two are negative terms, sum of them equal to 11, 4, 5. Minus 541 by 49. Are there any cancellation between them? If cancellation, you do that cancellation. Is a factor of both. Leave it. Any factors, cancel them. Not there, leave it. But I think 7 is a factor. Check once. You observe the multiplication. Are there any mistakes? Are there? 5, 20, 7x, 28. Minus 40. Only. 35x, 35 3, 105. 40, 748, 78, 56, 74, 28, plus 5, 33. Okay. 11, 4, I think that is the mistake. 4. Now 7, 7, 5, 7, 6, 7, 3, 21. Then x equal to minus 63 by 7. Now 7, 9, 63, minus 9. Value like this. In this example, it is a 19th one. 5x plus 2 by 2x plus 3 equal to 12 by 7. Fractions given on both sides. Type of single fractions given on both sides, we must apply the cross multiplication is better to simplify it. That means multiply this numerator, this denominator with this numerator. That is called cross multiplication. 5x plus 2, this one is this one, that equal to 12 into 2x plus 3. 7 5, 35x, 7 2s 40 equal to 12 2s 24x plus 12 3s 36. Inside 35x minus 24x, already 36 on the right side, send this 40, it becomes minus 14. 35 minus 24, I think it is 11x. Here 22. 22 by 11 equal to 2, x equal to 2. Equation. Like this, we can solve the remaining problems in the exercise also. I am going to show some of the problems in exercises. You observe them and solve them. See the first exercise. 4. 2.4. This is the first. Nine. These are all sums. Next, 2.5. 5. In first Roman there are 12 sums. Exercise 2.5. If you have to solving this problem to the concerned teacher, and he will solution. He can solve the problem. Very good.